Good morning, Year 10. I hope you're well and having a lovely day. Please read out the date and the title, Theme Park Project, The Pitch. For your do now, I would like you to read through this extract and write out the persuasive devices. So let's read through it together. We believe that 3 hours of homework a night is key to success. 50% of students agreed. They know completing homework means they will do well and the facts prove it. GCSE results show students who complete homework do 25% better than students who don't. Of course, 3 hours homework a night might seem a lot, but you know that a temporary inconvenience in time will make a difference to your life chances. Homework equals success. Pause the video for a couple of minutes to jot down the techniques that you have spotted in that extract. Okay, so of course you have direct address, talking about you, directly addressing the audience or the reader. We have statistics, such as 50% and 25%. We have facts, so GCSE results show students who complete homework do 25% better. And we have opinions presented as fact as well. So homework equals success. Okay, so the pitch. What I'd like you to do is imagine you're putting a pitch together for your theme park company to get the necessary funding for your project. You could think of it as a Dragon's Den type pitch. If you're not familiar with Dragon's Den, it's basically a program where people have inventions or proposals and they go to people who've got a lot of money, the investors, and they pitch their product, they try and sell it to the investors, and if they're successful, they give away a stake in their company, up one generally to about 40%, and though it varies depending on how successful they are already. And in return for a stake in the company, they get money from the investors or the dragons. So you need to imagine you're in that kind of situation. And now for the interesting part. Once you've written the pitch, I would like you to video yourself reading it. This will be really excellent preparation for your upcoming spoken assessment, because as we haven't been in school, you could be a bit rusty at presenting or giving speeches. So it's a really good practice for giving a speech. Also, it would be really lovely for me to see your faces again after all this time, because it has been almost half a year now, which is crazy if you think about it. So I do miss seeing you for the 4 hours a week we were meant to have. So it'd be really lovely if you could send me a video of you doing the pitch. So what will happen is I'll be giving feedback on every pitch in terms of content and presentation. So in the same way that your spoken assessment would be looked at in terms of what you say and how you say it, so too will the pitch. As you know, I can leave comments on the work you upload, so as soon as I've seen your uploaded video, I will leave you the comment. However, I'll be doing a final submissions check at 9 a.m. on Monday. So you have all the way up till Monday morning to write your speech, video yourself recording it, and then submit it via ClassCharts. I will be judging on the Monday, and I will release the winner at midday on the Monday. So you won't be having a lesson on Monday, but do check ClassCharts for the winner of this pitch challenge. So now that you know about the pitch, you're probably wondering what you should include. So I'd like you to include the following: a persuasive argument using persuasive techniques we've explored in this unit. I've put all the techniques on a comprehensive slide, in a comprehensive list on the next slide. I would also like you to include details about the theme park. So you may want to draw a map of the grounds, which you can hold up. You may want to mention opening times, unique features such as the rare newt, drawings or descriptions of the rides, or you could also mention car parks and accessibility via public transport. Public transport could actually be more appealing because then it's less detrimental to the environment and also causes less noise and nuisance for the people who live nearby, like our friend Miss Schleppenstick. So you also want to consider the issues raised throughout the unit, such as possible noise disturbances, ewes hanging around, and the things that we talked about that were raised by Miss Schleppenstick in her letter. And also do consider anything else to make your theme park stand out. Remember, there are lots of companies who are trying to get funding, so you need to make your pitch memorable and stand out. So it's really important. I think the key thing, especially when giving your pitch, make sure you sound interested, make sure you make eye contact with the camera in this case, or with the phone, and do make your pitch a bit interesting. You may want to have a bit of a jingle, you may want to, I don't know, draw a really eye-catching map. So do something to make your pitch stand out. So this is a list of persuasive techniques. We've got direct address, anecdotes, alliteration, facts, opinions, repetition, rhetorical question, emotive language, statistics, tricolon, personal pronouns, sense of urgency, superlatives, noun phrases, flattery, special offers, and testimonials. Of course, there's no need to put all those techniques in your speech, in your pitch, but do try and include a couple of them. Okay, and that is it. So what I'd like you to do for the rest of the lesson is work on your pitch. So maybe you'd want to do a brainstorm first, then write out the pitch, including any maps or any signs you might want to make to help. And then finally, I would like you to video it and send me in your video. As I mentioned, you do have the weekend. I'll be doing the final check, 9 AM, Monday the 20th, so next Monday, and releasing the winner at midday. So really hope to see lots of submissions. Like I said, miss seeing you, so it'd be really good if I could get a video from you. So that's all from me today. So best of luck with the pitch. Any questions at all, do get in touch. I'll be happy to help you. And I look forward to seeing your submissions very soon. So thank you very much, and I'll speak to you next time.